美国的总统川普正式来宣布，4月初2开始，要针对进口到美国的汽车扣25%的关税。安尼一来，美国人买新车要加开将近33万的新台票，嘛影响到美国股市4大指数全部受压。
This is the beginning of Liberation Day.
川普伫咧2月解放日，应该就是全球车商的感恩日。伊宣布为4月初2开始，对进口到美国汽车，包括伫咧海外租到的美国车，拢会扣25%的关税。消息一日出来，随后美国连3天起随从冻点，受到特斯拉动力超过5%影响，4大指数拜三全受压。
You're going to see prices going down, but it's going to go down specifically because they're going to buy what we're doing and
urged the president not to do this, and he delayed it. And he delayed it for good reason. It's going to hurt our manufacturers.
就含川普亲信马斯克伫咧特斯拉公司纠正嘛无效，关税加算咧，美国人买新车上济可能要加开买33万新台票。亲像去年2024年规年大，为日本出口到美国汽车金额达到6兆262亿日本票，大约新台票1兆2000多亿，占规个出口量28.3%，搁加关税。今年日本车伫咧美国的计售就会越来越贵。
There are numerous ways you can buy TikTok, and we will find the one that's best for the country. Maybe I'll give them a little reduction in tariffs or something to get it done.
将规买川普是要用关税来当作含其他国家谈判条件。CNN 分析，侵头啊，川普发讲要对中国、加拿大、墨西哥等国家扣收超过25%的关税。即卖疫情潮已经有较热闹，除了先互市场做好上歹的暗算，搁来减少扣税，互外界会当勉强接受。每夜则搁甲关税包装做受惠，就要达到无效公平手段。
The one thing I've learned from business, and if you talk to any business leader on your show, they'll tell you the hardest customer to win back is the one that you push out the front door.
只是专家认为，川普关税战开战进程，才会继续暴落，制造商和消费者的信心，就先破落到倾向，拢转换到其他市场发展，对美国来讲是全输。
Hello， 我是林明瑞。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定我们华视新闻的 YouTube 频道。